Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 591, and today's topic of my lecture is the health benefits of sweet potato. Sweet potato is a root vegetable and it is very common in Asia, Africa and even in Europe. In India it is called Sakarkandi or Ganji, and in Borno state or north they call it Dunklin Hausa. Actually Dunklin they call even to Irish potato also. And I inquired that what about the sweet potato? So they said that we call it Dunklin Hausa. Is very important root vegetable because it is rich in lot of nutrients, vitamin and mineral. Actually, history goes like that. Some 720 AD, the Peru and Brazil farmers, they were cultivating it and they were using it. And that was in 1492 when Columbus came to America. Then it was brought to America. So the history goes like that. And this one is important in the sense that it is very rich in beta carotene, that is provitamin A, and it is of two types. One is dull white or brown color, and the other one is that is purple color. And the purple color is due to the presence of anthocyanin, that is a type of flavonoid, good antioxidant. Of course, it is having three very important antioxidants. One is beta carotene, other one is that is vitamin C, and third one anthocyanins. And that's why this one is really good for our eye health. And it contains 21% carbohydrate in the form of starch and cellulose. But that cellulose is not exactly in the form of cellulose where the long chain of monosaccharides are arranged. It is in the form of hemicellulose. Hemicellulose means that long chain is in zigzag direction, it is linked, and that's why it is porous and soft. And because of this property, this is very good for our digestion. Because the fiber is porous and it is soft. It is rich in beta carotene, and that's why it is very good for our eye health, and especially that is those who are suffering from that is macular degeneration. Macular degeneration means macula is a central part of retina, and it is old age disease. And to my understanding, in Nigeria, it is very common after the age of 60. And in Nigeria, more than 100,000 Nigerians, they are suffering from blindness because of macular degeneration. That is, the macula is the central part of retina and that is damaged. And that's why it will lead to permanent blindness. And more than 100,000 Nigerians are getting this, and the chance of getting macular degeneration of retina if we are taking sweet potato, which is rich in provitamin A, that is beta carotene, or all those fruits and vegetables, they are rich in vitamin A, like most of the mango or citrus fruits. So if you keep on that diet, the chance of retina damage, macular damage is less. Secondly, this sweet potato is good for those people who are having the tendency of stone formation. Because if we are taking such vegetables or fruits which are rich in oxalates, and the large quantity of oxalates can form stone, that is kidney stone. So when we are taking sweet potato that is hemicellulose, zigzag form, amorphous, cellulose, that will bind with those oxalates and it will be flushed out. That's why for those people who have the tendency of stone formation, eating sweet potato is very good. And as we know, it is loaded with lot of antioxidants, and that's why it reduces drastically the chance of that is colorectal cancer, which is very common. Colon means colon cancer combined with rectum cancer. That is together is called colorectal. And colorectal cancer chance is very less because of presence of powerful antioxidants. So this sweet potatoes, they have lot of health benefits, and its botanical name is Ipomia batatas, and it belongs to family Canuleaceae. Number one, it contains appreciable amount of cellulose, that is a type of fiber, and this fiber is hemicellulose, and I have already discussed all this, that hemicellulose is very soft and amorphous, and that's why it is very good for our digestive system. It can be easily soluble, and also it is highly digestible and gives soothing effect on the intestinal wall. It protects our intestine wall so that the chances of hyperacidity or some other bacterial attack is less once we are taking sweet potato because of presence of hemicellulose. Number two, as I have already told you, that it is rich in beta carotenoid, and that beta carotenoid is provitamin A, and that makes to protect is from degeneration of our lining, and the inner lining of arteries, and if once it is inner lining of our arteries are protected because of beta carotene, the chances of formation of or deposition of cholesterol, especially the LDL, low density cholesterol, is very less, and once it is a very less chance of deposition of cholesterol, so your arteries will be flexible, so the blood circulation will be very smooth and easy. That is the main role of beta carotene, and it is also powerful antioxidant. Number three, the sweet potato can bind oxalates. When we are taking lot of vegetables, I have already told you, and once there is a good amount of oxalates accumulated, they provide the nucleus and platform to form the stone in our kidneys. Once we are taking sweet potato, those fibers which are present in sweet potato, especially the hemocellulose, they are zigzag, amorphous, and they bind all those oxalates and they are flushed out. That's why if we are taking sweet potato, there is less chance of getting kidney stone. And then number four, it protects from macular degeneration. Macular degeneration means, I told you that macula is the central part of our retina, and this is senior citizens disease, especially those people who are above 60, and it is common in Nigeria. Every year, more than 100,000 people, they suffer from macular degeneration, retinal degeneration, and they lose their sight. They become blind. So if you are taking sweet potato in good quantity, some other fruit and vegetable which are rich in vitamin A and beta carotene, they will protect the retina, central retina, that is macula, and that macula is protected, and then you can escape from total blindness. So that is, it protects from macular degeneration. That is main cause of this disease. And beta carotene, vitamin A, macula is the central part of retina that is damaged if we are not taking enough vitamin A rich fruit and vegetable. And since sweet potato is very cheap and it is rich in vitamin A, and that yellow tinge of its fiber is nothing but beta carotene. And number 5, it contains vitamins C, D, and B, and it has minerals iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and thiamine. Also, it has 112 kilocalories energy. It contains 0.07 gram fat. It has carbohydrate, that is 26 gram, protein 2.0 gram, and fiber 3.9 gram of RDA. These are all RDA means reference daily intake. Number 6, it could control blood sugar, and blood sugar control means the chance of diabetes is less because this is complex root fiber in the form of cellulose, and it takes lot of time to convert that complex fiber into glucose. And such vegetables or fruits which are taking more time to break down into sugar molecule, they are called that they have low glycemic index. So release of sugar molecule will be very slow. In this way we can maintain the sugar level and it will help in diabetic condition. And number 7, sweet potato are cancer fighting, and it lowers the risk of cancer, and especially that cancer that is the purple color. Sweet potato is having that purple color is called anthocyanins, and these anthocyanins can protect you from colorectal cancer. The chances of colorectal cancer is less once we are taking sweet potato because it is rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, beta carotene, and vitamin C. And all those fruit and vegetables, mostly they are rich in antioxidants, means those molecules, they are phenolic and they can fight the free radical, they can neutralize the free radical, and once your body free radicals are drastically reduced and you are free of oxidative stress, means you are free of many diseases. So here the sweet potato is very good in antioxidant, in provitamin A, beta carotene, and also it can bind the oxalate. So it has lot of health benefit. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.